Apple just made a shocking move, shelving its Lighter Vision Pro headset and shifting resources to smart glasses. But here's the twist. Meta is already ahead in this game with its Ray-Ban smart glasses. So the big question is Apple too late, or are we about to witness the next iPhone-level revolution in wearable tech? Let's break it down. According to Bloomberg and The Verge, Apple has decided to pause development of a Lighter Vision Pro headset that was originally rumored for 2027. Instead, the company is now putting its top engineers on smart glasses. Here's the roadmap. Apple is working on two versions. A simpler pair of glasses without a display, which could be revealed next year, but won't officially launch until 2027. A more advanced pair with a built-in display, originally planned for 2028. But now, Apple wants to speed that up. Features expected. So, what can we expect from these smart glasses? Think of something like Meta's Ray-Ban glasses, but with Apple's design and AI integration. We're talking built-in speakers and microphones for calls and music, cameras for photos and video, multiple fashion styles to appeal to mainstream users, and most importantly, heavy reliance on voice interaction and artificial intelligence. Bloomberg even reports that Apple is developing a brand new custom chip designed specifically for these glasses. That alone suggests Apple wants this to be more than just an accessory. They want it to be a whole new product category. Why this matters? Now here's why this is such a big deal. Meta already has a head start. They just launched their second-generation Ray-Ban smart glasses with much better battery life. They even have an Oakley model for athletes. And then there's the brand new Ray-Ban display glasses, which actually have a small display in the right lens. So yes, Apple is late to the party. But remember, Apple has done this before. They weren't the first to make an MP3 player, or a smartphone, or a smartwatch. But when they entered, they redefined the entire market. If Apple can bring their ecosystem, design, and AI power into smart glasses, they could turn this into the next iPhone moment. The Vision Pro future. So, what about Vision Pro? Is it dead? Not exactly. Apple has reportedly scaled back production, but filings suggest a modest refresh of the Vision Pro could still arrive by the end of this year. That said, the reality is clear. Apple doesn't see bulky, $3,500 headsets as the future for everyone. The real opportunity is in lighter, more wearable smart glasses, something millions of people could actually use daily. Here's my take. Apple is making the right call. Vision Pro was always too expensive and too niche. Smart glasses, on the other hand, could be the future of communication, entertainment, and even work. The challenge? Meta has momentum. But Apple has something Meta doesn't, a loyal ecosystem of iPhone users who trust Apple's design and privacy standards. If Apple can deliver stylish, AI-powered glasses that actually work, not just gimmicks, they might just own this space. So, what do you think? Is Apple making the right move by shelving Vision Pro for smart glasses? Or is Meta already too far ahead in this race? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest tech updates from the US and beyond.